documents, work, meeting notes, text, and we're going to make documents, learning, Linux, learning, or Linux commands, dot text. We're going to make scripts, bash, backup, script, sh. We're going to make scripts, Python, data analyzer, .py. We're going to change directory to documents, personal, budget, .txt, dir.text, context, .text. Okay, you're going to change the directory back to my projects. And now we're on step 12, where we will verify files were created. So we're going to find the name and anything with a text extension. And here we go. So got our 5 there. So far, so good. All right, so now we're going to be moving on to phase 4 with file operations practice. Step 13, add content to files. So we're going to do echo apples greater than documents personal grocery list.txt. Echo bread greater than documents personal grocery list.txt. Echo milk greater than, if I can get it right, greater than documents personal grocery list txt. Now we're going to check the file of grocery list and see what happens. All right, so we got apples, bread, and milk, which is what we want. Okay, so now we're going to move on to step 15, which is copying the files. So we're going to copy documents, personal grocery list.txt to documents work office supplies.txt. Okay. So now we gotta verify that it actually copied to the file that we wanted it to copy to. So we're gonna look. Okay, so we got meeting notes, office supplies, txt. So I'm gonna actually look in the file now. And documents, work, office, supplies, txt. Okay, so it worked because now we got apples, bread, and milk now in the office supplies. Although in real life probably would not be happening. Maybe unless like shopping at Walmart or something like that, maybe then it'd be possible. Okay, so now we're gonna create a temporary file where we create temp file txt. We're gonna echo this is temporary content. File.txt. Okay, now we're going to move this file. Move temp file.txt to documents personal notes.txt. We're going to look in the system for temp file.txt, which is good because we just moved it, so we shouldn't be seeing it in this directory. So that's good. All right, so now we're going to look system documents personal notes.txt. Okay. All right. So phase 5, advanced file management. Step 19, practice with wildcards. So we're gonna look in system documents. Personal and all the text files. So now we can see all the text files that are in the directory. Grocery list, diary, budget, contacts, and notes. So now we're gonna move to step 20, which is find the files by name. So moving along. All right, so we're gonna do find. Oh, no, we're gonna look at his system documents, personal. Any file that's text, or okay, so we got 5. Okay, so find name with list. And all that we have is just the grocery list. So we're going to do find name file extension pi. And we got 1 with the data analyzer in the scripts Python directory. Okay, so moving on to file permissions and cleanup. Or creating a directory index. Step 21. System on log system directory structure dot log. Okay, so no file exists or is in the directory. We're gonna check. Log system directory structure.log. Okay, no file exists. Okay. Makes sense because I don't think that we actually created it. But, anyways, gonna move on to phase 6 with file permissions and cleanup. Gonna look in the system, documents, personal. Okay, so we got the budgets, contacts, dire, grocery list,